Hi, this is Bill Wilson Jr. with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this inspection video. This happens to be a real nice Summit Model 20x80B series. The B stands for 4 1/8 inch on the spindle bore. The machine was manufactured new in the mid to late 1990s. It's 20 1/4 over the bed, 11 7/8 over the cross slide, and it has 80 inches of distance between centers. The machine's currently running at around 45 RPMs. We're going to go ahead and run some speeds for you, show you the tooling that comes with the machine, and just do a general overall inspection. Clear? It's a 10 horsepower main drive machine. It's currently wired at 440 volts. I guessed 45 RPM, Frank. Was I correct on that?
250.
Oh, 250 RPM, excuse me. We're running at 250 RPM. Now, no, there's 3 different speed ranges, low, medium, and high, ranging from 6.5 up to 1400 with a total of 15 changes. I'd like to point out how clean this headstock is. The dials and the knobs, charts. Oil shot lubrication. D18 cam lock with the 4 1/8 inch spindle bore. So again, we have 80 inches of center distance, 20 1/4 swing over bed, 11 7/8 over the cross slide. The machine's set up with a wedge style quick change tool post in a CA size. We're also going to include a couple of 5 holders, something like that. New 12-inch 3-jaw. All right, Frank, let's go ahead and rock another, what, your 3 or 4 favorite speeds?
Yeah.
Rear splash guard, 2-speed tailstock, steady rest, the taper attachment.
25.
That's 25 RPM. Coolant system, spigot, nozzle and hose, pump, tank.
11.5.
That's 11.5. Exercising the low range. Very nice. Next. Beautiful. You want to take me back up to where we were? Bring that ladder over here. Again, it has a swing through the gap. Bring it over here. Of 27 3/8. That's about 14 inches out. Got it. Beautiful. Next. Beautiful. Next, Frank?
Yes.
Next. What do you want to do? 2. I know you want to do your 2 high ones. You want to do 1400, I can tell. You want to do 1000?
Yep.
So real nice, friendly, easy to operate machine.
1,000.
There's 1,000 R's. Yeah, I'll hand that clipboard to you now. Thanks, man. Well, that sure sounds good. I'd like to point out how nice these screws are as well. Coming back down.
$1,400.
That's your 1400 RPM. Thanks, man. Overall condition of the machine, just real nice. The screws, the ways. That sounds wonderful. It's a new 12-inch 3-jaw D1A rear splash guard on the machine. Full coolant, full taper. New work light. Steady rest goes from 3.5 up to approximately 8.5 or 9-inch on the hole. It's a 2-speed tailstock delivering a number 5 Morse taper. Power rapid traverse. Well, that's a real nice feature. Lever operated for the feet as well as for the PRT. So again, real nice, straightforward, easy to operate machine. So again, we have a new 12-inch 3-jaw. We have the wedge style quick change tool post. In the package, we're offering the steady rest, the taper attachment, the coolant system. The 12-inch 4-jaw chuck comes standard with the machine. Additionally, if you would like a 16-inch or a quote on a 16-inch, please feel free to let us know. This one here happens to be a European style EMCO. But we have the original headstock sleeve, leveling pads. In the package, we'd like to offer a couple of face plates or a single face plate if needed, as needed. We wanted to lay out some of the face plates. A customer requested recently a faceplate to set up for his collet chuck. So I wanted to point out that here we have a Hardinge and a 2J style collet chuck and a D18 direct mount. So that's a real nice piece. That's listed as an option. So standard, you're going to have the 12-inch 3-jaw, 12-inch 4-jaw, wedge style quick change tool post, 5 of these real nice tool holders. Optionally, we're going to list the drill chuck, the little keyless drill chuck, the key drill chuck. We'll list out a 16-inch 4-jaw. Should we show them the inside of the headstock on the door? You guys handy with the wrench? Okay, so this machine is here in Salt Lake City, Utah. It's very easy to get a hold of us here at Machinery Consultants. Feel free to reach out at mci@machineryconsultants.com. We can reply back with a copy of the quote, as well as a couple of these photos. Thank you, Jerry. Super clean on the inside here. Just wanted to point that out. I can't get away from how nice this is. It's all original. Wow. Those gears look good. Additionally, we put on some new belts. We went in and checked out the belts, electrics, and motor. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. All right, clear? Okay, let's do our outro. All right, so it's Bill Wilson Jr. here at Machinery Consultants in Utah. Hold that up there. Perfect. If a freight rate is requested on this particular machine, please feel free to let us know. We get great rates on shipping. So again, we have models 2080B Summit. This is a real nice heavy pattern Toolroom Lathe, 20¼ by 8 inches between centers. Serial number 33408. Well, until next time, feel free to call us at 801-531-9500. Additionally, you can drop us an email at mci@machineryconsultants.com. Wonderful. Well, thanks again for reviewing this video. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and thanks again. Have a great day.